What made it comfortable was the fact that it utilizes water, air, and a soft powder. Now, this soft powder is aimed at your teeth, at your gums, and it clears away any staining that's on your teeth. So because the water is warm, that means that it's very comfortable, it's not sensitive at all. And because water and powder is being used, it means that it's not as intense on your teeth as a scalar tip, an ultrasonic scalar tip might be on your teeth. So it made it very comfortable. The process, the hygienist that I see regularly was very good with me as well. And it just shows as well that even though I am a dentist and I know how to maintain my oral health, it's still good for me to be seen for a professional clean as well.